Okay, how we doing out there? First things first, my name is Kenneth Bird. My company is Black Series Edition LLC, and this is Cardboard PC Kingdom. We're working on these cardboard builds because, again, as I said before, I am going to be pretty soon working on a new website involving gaming screen paint technology that we're working on. So these are some of the PCs that I've built made out of cardboard. And some people saying, well, you know, cardboard PCs have been out. Yeah, I know they've been out. Trust me, I know. They've been out basically when I first started building PCs, and that was before I got into screen paint, so I know how long they've been out. So with that being said, some people say, well, poor people build them. No, poor people don't build them. A lot of people build them. Just out of curiosity to see if they can do something different. People are always challenging themselves. I don't know who basically came with that line at the end of the day, thinking that only poor people build with cardboard. No, everybody does it. And the reason why they do it, because again, it's cheap and it's super affordable and it looks pretty cool. You add a little pizzazz to it. So right now I'm doing my little rust job for inside my pipes. Getting that done. I'm trying to get as much of this finished because again, I don't want to get stacked in. We got orders that are coming up and we have new products that we're working on. So trying to get as much of my work done as I possibly can. Sorry if you can't see that. I just finished all of this. I think I finished the back already. Doing a dry paint job. A dry brush paint job in there. I still have to do a corrosion job next. But I'm probably going to do the corrosion job tomorrow. Looks like he's going to do it tomorrow. And yeah, this whole thing is all made out of cardboard. It's all cardboard. Can't see what I'm doing right here because I have to do something a little different in there. Yeah, this whole thing is all cardboard. Except for these are plastic roller holders that you use for your toilet paper dispenser. That's pretty much it. Okay, the bottom half area. All this is done. Yeah, we did that area right here. Make it a little bit heavier in this section over here. So if you can't see this, it's kind of difficult to show you because it's trying to coat this area in here just a little bit. The air corrosion job came in real nicely. Really happy with it. So this is their corrosion or decaying and corrosion steampunk PC we're building. Right now, first we have to build our case. And I like building the cases out of cardboard because, like I said, it's cheap, it's affordable. And if you really know what you're doing, like I said, you want to do something really cool with it, you can design some really nice stuff with it. You can with cardboard. You can sculpt it any way you want to. The beautiful thing about it, no design is ever going to be the same. Unless you can figure a way how to do it. But for me, no, we got kind of hard to do that one for me. Once I design one of these, it's kind of hard to try to do something exactly the same way as we did it before. That PVC, that caulking, so not PVC, that caulking comes in quite nicely. Gives it a nice corrosion job to the whole thing. Looks really nice. This is going to make a beautiful PC when we're done with it. Whoopsie, I tripped over my stand here. Make a beautiful PC when we're done with it. So we're done with the corrosion job. That's done. I mean, with the corrosion job, with the more of the rust job, we're done with that. Done with that. Doing little odds and ends here. That's basically about it. I think we got the ceiling to do. Did I do the ceiling? I don't think I did the ceiling. Oh no, we didn't do the ceiling. So tomorrow we're probably going to turn it upside down and do the ceiling. So that'll be the next step inside of all of this and the ceiling. Because yeah, I can't get the ceiling from here. Put some of my paint back here. I can't let this stuff go to waste. Alright, we'll finish the ceiling tomorrow. Everything else came out quite nicely. Got a nice little rust design to it. And then ripping the cardboard ahead of time before we did the job on it came out quite nicely. So that came out great too. Doing a dry paint job inside of the pipes. There. Yeah, I guess that our box is a little bit better. Now, before we retire from here on this one, so tomorrow, I'd like to thank my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ for blessing us with the amazing ability to do this, because, again, if it weren't for Him, anything we design to build just wouldn't be possible. I have to go in there with a flashlight and see what's going on in there, because, oh, that's all by feel. Just trying to get my corners to rust up a little bit in there. More of a corrosion effect in there. Here we go. Hope you enjoyed. And there's some of our work over there already working on. Parts are already installed in, but got some upgrades coming in for it. Make sure we got the other side. I can't see Jack. I gotta take my word for where I'm at. If the video cuts off, I'm sorry. Gotta check my time. Get that coming, looking really nice. Came out very nice. Very happy with it. Get Ricky the Roach back up here. Got his other mate coming in pretty soon. That's where our motherboard is going to be sitting at right now. Alright, hope you enjoyed. Thank you for your time for stopping in. Well, you'll be stopping in later in because this is pre-recorded. And I think I like the pre-recorded better. And the reason why is because, like I said, there's no cutoff in between, you know, I mean, waiting for the reconnection and all that. And not knowing if my videos are going to be clean and clear. Because, again, that Wi-Fi can basically wreak havoc on my work. And I'm happy with just doing the pre-records. I do live streams on my other channels. So I have Facebook and some other forum sites I'm actually started. I go over and I do live streams over there. So it isn't like I completely don't do live streams at all. I still do them. Just over here, I don't think we're going to do them anymore. And once we're reinstated, we're going to come back in and just tell you the same thing. We're not doing them anymore. I know that some people feel at the end of the day that trying to make our products, which is sad. If you can used to make screen paints and now you're just trying to make our products, it's pretty sad, but it doesn't affect their contracts. That's what they have to understand. You know, people we're doing business with don't know them and don't care. As long as they can come in here and see our products, they trust our name because we've been around for quite some time. And again, we engineer a lot of technology, not just one or two. So, you know, we got people that are bent on are obsessed with our company. As you can see that right now, there's a fellow right now on YouTube that is obsessed with what we do. And even though he doesn't have his business anymore and he doesn't sell screen paints, he's still obsessed with us. So that tells you how strange some people have become. But we're not worrying about it. We've got some things coming up in 2025 that's going to pretty much end all that nonsense from the door, so we can get those people ready for court. That came out nicely. All right, I gotta go. Thank you all, and God bless.